Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device has power and network access so data syncs reliably. Next, log in with your admin account and open the enrollment module. This grants you the permissions you need. Have the user's ID and consent ready because accurate metadata links the biometric template. Once done, ask the user to clean and dry the finger or face area. Good contact reduces retries and improves template quality. You now focus on capturing a high-quality template. Position the finger or face according to on-screen guides and follow numbered prompts so captures align. Capture 2 to 4 samples. Repeated, consistent samples let the algorithm average out noise and improve matching accuracy. Make sure to check quality scores after each capture. If the score is low, retake it. Don't save poor data. Once samples meet thresholds, confirm identity and proceed to link the template to the user record. You finish by saving the template and immediately performing a verification test so you can catch issues now. Make sure to record enrollment details, user ID, operator name, timestamp, and device serial, because traceability speeds future audits. If the test fails, first clean and dry the sensor and the user's finger or face, then recalibrate the device if available. If problems persist, re-enroll the user with fresh samples. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.